The US military is clearly the most sophisticated, most advanced, and most powerful force on the planet for a very simple reason: having the best weapons. But what are top of these weapon system America has? So without further ado, here are the top most powerful weapons of America. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so that you can watch more military videos. Number 10. AH-64 Apache is an American 4-blade twin-turbo attack helicopter. It features a nose-mounted sensor suited for target acquisition and night vision systems. Equipped with 30mm cannon, Hellfire missiles, and sophisticated sensors, the Apache combined speed, firepower, and range that allows the army to strike enemies long before they come within firing distance. It is equally useful at hunting down insurgents or destroying enemy armored columns in every kind of warfare. Number 9. Named after the legendary World War II Admiral, the Alibug-class destroyers are some of the most balanced, capable ships fielded by any modern navy. The heart of Burke's combat system is in its Aegis radar system, which is capable of directing a variety of air defense missiles against incoming targets. The destroyers are heavily armed with conventional guns. 127mm gun is mounted on the bow, capable of anti-ship, shore bombardment, and even a limited anti-air role. These destroyers are armed with two 25mm guns and 4 caliber machine guns. Finally, each ship has two phalanx close-in weapon system designed to shoot down incoming missiles, but also capable of firing on helicopters, drones, and small boats. Number 8. USS Zumwalt. This incredible looking, having Star Wars appearance, the $4.4 billion destroyer is already out there roaming the world's oceans. You might miss it though, as the ship is designed to be almost invisible. The destroyer's RCS is not more than a fishing boat despite having a whopping length of 600 feet. The ship is armed with two long-range guns that fire guided artillery shells up to 72 miles away. The destroyer is also equipped with two small guns to protect it from ships or airborne enemies that get too close. This ship will also be equipped with the science fiction style railgun and laser weapons. These array of advanced weaponry and a stealth make this ship one of the most lethal destroyers in the world. Number 7. F-35 Lightning II is a family of single-seat, single-engine, and all-weather stealth multi-load fighters. This 5th generation combat aircraft is designed to perform ground attacks, aerial reconnaissance, and air defense missions. The F-35 has 3 variants, including vertical takeoff like a helicopter. These are equipped with laser-guided missiles and bombs that will secretly blitz enemy bases into dust. The United States plans to buy more than 2,500 of these aircraft. Number 6. M1 Abrams is an American 3rd generation main battle tank, highly mobile, designed for modern ground warfare. The M1A1 is considered one of the best protected tanks in the world. Notable features include the use of a powerful multi-fuel turbine engine, the adoption of sophisticated composite armor, and separate ammunition storage in a blowout compartment for crew safety. At a whopping weight of 62 tons, it is one of the heaviest main battle tanks in service. 3 main versions of the Abrams have been developed since its inception, namely M1, M1A1, and M1A2, incorporating improved armaments, protection, and electronics. These improvements and other upgrades have allowed this long service vehicle to remain in frontline for many years. In addition, development for the improved M1A3 version has been known since 2009. Number 5. Boeing's Minuteman III. The strategic nuclear deterrence has become less prominent since the end of Cold War. The backbone of America's nuclear deterrence remains the 1960s intercontinental ballistic missile Minuteman III. Over the years, the long-serving missile has been modified and upgraded with the better guidance systems and a new rocket motors. Though originally designed to be fitted with 3 multiple independent re-entry vehicles, the current version of missile carries 300 kiloton weapons. The United States plans to continue to upgrade the missile, but eventually will have to develop a new ICBM to replace the Minuteman III. Number 4. Nuclear submarines. There are 3 major types of submarines in the US Navy: ballistic missile, attack, and cruise missile submarines. All these subs in US Navy are nuclear powered. Ballistic subs have a single strategic mission of carrying nuclear ballistic missiles. Attack submarines have several tactical missions including sinking enemy ships and subs, launching cruise missiles, and gathering intelligence. Ohio-class guided missile submarines are one of the most feared subs in the world. These submarines are equipped with 154 cruise missiles and carry up to 4 platoon of Navy SEALs. The Los Angeles Seawolf and Virginia-class submarines are capable of performing seek and destroy missions, surveillance, reconnaissance, irregular warfare, covert troops insertion, mine and anti-mine operations. In addition, these subs are also armed with Tomahawk cruise missiles as well. Number 3. The Air Force's tiny fleet of 20 V-2 bombers is the only stealth long-range strike assets in the US arsenal. No other aircraft has the range to take off from the continental United States and strike at targets on the other side of the globe inside heavily contested airspace. The B-2 has unrefueled range of around 6,000 nautical miles but can be extended up to 10,000 with aerial refueling. There is no other warplane in the US Air Force inventory which is capable to penetrate the kinds of dense air defenses. At a whopping $2 billion price tag, this aircraft is the top most expensive aircraft jets in the world. Number 2. The Lockheed Martin's F-22 Raptor is arguably the best stealth fighter jet in the existence. The F-22 is extremely stealthy and fitted with advanced avionics. Further, it can cruise at supersonic speeds greater than Mach 2.25 at altitudes up to 60,000 feet for extended periods. When operating at lower speeds and altitudes, it has the ability to vector thrust from its engines, which gives it tremendous maneuverability. In short, the Raptor's combination of sheer speed, altitude, stealth, and powerful sensors make it a lethal killer in the sky. Number 1. The US Navy has the world's largest aircraft carrier fleet with 24 in service, 2 under construction, 2 ordered, and 15 planned. Largest and latest of these warships is Ford-class supercarrier. Ford-class can carry air wings that include C-85 fixed-wing aircraft, naval helicopters, and drones. These include F-35, F-18 Super Hornet, EA-18 Growlers, and Hawkeye early warning aircraft. Defensive weapons of the Ford class include 2 launchers with 32 Sea Sparrow missiles. It has also 21 rolling airframe missiles which are used against anti-ship missiles at close range. Moreover, there are 4 20mm Phalanx close-in weapon systems. The Ford class has the largest and most powerful air force than the whole air force of many nations. By operating these aircraft carriers, United States will remain unchallenged sea force on Earth throughout the 21st century. So what do you think, that which weapon system is more powerful? Let us know in the comment section. Also be sure to check out our other military videos. Thanks for watching. As always, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.